Today we're going to learn about how to write an objective summary in 6 easy steps. So first off, we need to know what an objective summary is. Objective. Objective means that something is unbiased. It does not have your opinion in it. It's not influenced by how you feel about an issue, and it just provides the facts. Okay, so no opinion, just facts. It's a summary because it's a shortened retelling of the entire article, and it only includes those most important points written in your own words. So there are 6 steps. The first step is for you to determine the central or main idea of the text that you're reading. This is the chief, most important, most basic reason for reading the text. So while you're reading, think about, okay, what important points are being made in the text? And oftentimes you're going to find that these are in the first or last sentence of the text. So that's a little cheat to help you identify what the main idea is. You also want to think about, okay, what is the author's purpose? Was it to entertain, persuade, inform, describe? And what is its text structure? Is it written in chronological order? Is it cause and effect, compare and contrast, problem solution, or is it written through description? By knowing the text structure's organization and the purpose, your comprehension of the text is going to increase, and you're easily going to be able to find out what the central idea would be. All right, the second part is to write a 3-part topic sentence. In your topic sentence, you're going to identify the title of the text and the author. Then you're going to use a summary verb such as shows, describes, discusses, states, and then state what the central idea of the text is. So within this topic sentence in which you introduce the central idea, you are going to have again the title of the text, the author, a summary verb, and the central idea. For example, in his article, One Family's Journey to Food Freedom, which is the title of the article, John Knowles, who is the author, describes how one couple gave up grocery shopping, saved thousands of dollars, and became healthier by planting their own garden. There is your central idea. Step 3, you're going to write the body of your summary immediately after the topic sentence. So again, look at those big ideas and key points that you identified when you read the article. Write these big ideas in your own words. Use transitional words to make your summary cohesive and bring all those ideas together by providing a little bit extra detail to move from one key idea to the next. Make sure that the order and structure follows the same order and structure of the original text. For example, if the text is chronological, then your summary should also be chronological. And make sure you're leaving out minor details. Again, a summary is only the big ideas, not things that are kind of irrelevant. So here's an example. We'll start with topic sentence. In his article, One Family's Journey to Food Freedom, John Knowles describes how one family gave up grocery shopping, saved thousands of dollars, and became healthier by planting their own garden. Now we get into the body. The Jones family decided to start a small family garden. Their garden grew while their grocery bill disappeared. They produced enough food to meet all of their family's needs. The family encourages others to begin gardening as a way to not only save money, but to become healthier by consuming more organic, locally grown food. Notice within there we have all the key ideas of the article, and we also have no bias. There is no opinion at all in the summary, and that is one of the most important things that you need to make sure you're focusing on while writing. Step 4, introduce those transitional words. These transitional words are adding a little bit more detail and help you to move from one big idea to the next. So the ones in bold, after a field trip to a local farm, over the next 3 years, eventually, now, those transition words are moving us from one key idea to the next. So you want to make sure you're going to include those to bring some cohesion to your paragraph. Step 5, check for bias. Make sure that you have no opinion in it. This now is an example that is full of opinion, and it's definitely not what we want. So words like expertly and smart and costly, life-changing, best decision ever, insanely high grocery bill, all of those are throwing in your opinion, and it leads to a biased summary, which is the exact opposite of what we want. In step 6, you go over everything in the summary and evaluate it. Have you conveyed all the information accurately? Is your summary too narrow or too broad? Too narrow would mean that you have not provided enough information about the key ideas, and too broad means that you've written way too much. Would someone who hasn't read your article before be able to understand what the key ideas were in the text? Are they in the right sequence? Is it ordered and organized? Again, did you leave out your opinion? Did you use your own words and writing style? And did you use those transition words to tie it all together and bring cohesion? So by following these 6 steps, you will be able to write an amazing objective summary.